Well, good morning, everyone. It is Tuesday, and I'm down here at Poipu Beach. Just got here a couple minutes ago. I went to the market. I got some coffee, which is actually they call it true brew. So they're brewing through like a filtered cone right into a cup through the grounds. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. It's really good coffee. All right, so anyway, also stopped at the market, which is called, I'm not exactly sure how they pronounce it, Suoka, I think. I might have to ask one of the store people. Actually, I was talking to the woman that was putting the musubis out for the day, and I picked up one. Look at this. Spam and egg. So this is a really popular item here in Hawaii. So let's give it a try. Yesterday I just had spam. Today I decided I'm gonna kick it up a notch. I'm going with some egg too. So when the lady was there, the one that I guess she's their cook, she was putting them out. I asked her, I said, you know, I had one of these yesterday basically, and I said that it doesn't taste like spam like I remember spam. And she said, because she says there's different kinds of spam nowadays, but she said that she thinks the trick is that they use teriyaki sauce in these. So now I think that's why. Anyway, pretty good. I'm gonna eat up. I'm gonna get down to the beach, go check out the turtles. Yesterday there was about 8 of them down there on the beach, so it's pretty cool. But anyway, see you guys soon. Got a pod of dolphins out there. Got a friendly seal laying here. What's up, buddy? Surfers. Well, finally got some decent weather. It is Tuesday, and we get out of here on Saturday, so we don't have a lot of time now because the weather has been so crappy. Waves are just insane. I'll show you a little picture of that. Check that out. Look at that wave coming in. Woohoo! Wow. It's been fun though. I got some drone footage today of some dolphins. They are Spinner Dolphins. I saw some the other day too, but today I actually got some drone footage. We'll see how that looks. Right now I'm having myself a fantastic banana. These things are unbelievable. These are like an apple banana, so I love them. Anyway, I finally got to hang out on the beach. I'm sitting in one of the chairs we rented. Rented them 2 days ago. Yeah, well, what do you do, right? Alright, I'm gonna eat up my banana. See you soon, guys. So we're pretty close to the far west end. We actually went almost all the way out. Pretty much can't go any further. It ends up being dirt roads. And you don't have four-wheel drive and some big wheels, you are not gonna make it. But here we are. We're down here for the sunset. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? And the sun is setting.